Hello, today I'm going to be vlogging going on a boat tour on the coast of Kauai, Hawaii. I'm going to show you the view real quick. Look how pretty, that's a ping pong table. Anyway, I'm going to be vlogging that. Take you outside real quick to see the view. My phone. I'm vlogging. Can you see that? Gorgeous. I'll insert a picture. Anyway, so we're going on a boat tour and we're gonna see the coast of Kauai, Hawaii, which is really exciting. We're leaving in a few minutes, like a little over an hour and a half. But yeah, take you along with me. I'll see you in a few minutes. Well, actually, for you, it's be 2 seconds. Okay, this will be a little like tips, I guess. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so I packed my bag, slash camera bag for the boat ride. I combined my purse together with this, so I don't have to bring like multiple bags, just one big bag. If you keep up with the vlogs, I actually have the camera. I have a K70 camera, so, and I'm bringing Polaroid, which is a little film camera, you know, when you take a picture in the camera, the film comes immediately out. I got that. Just a little PSA, if you get car sick, I highly recommend taking Dawn Beam before you go anywhere on Hawaii Island. I'm in Kauai, Hawaii, so like the roads are really windy, so I really recommend getting some Dawn Beam. And then for going on the boat tour, they recommend wearing, that we're going on, which I have more details about it. I recommend taking Dawn Beam also, so you don't have to worry about getting seasick. And then 2, they said wear shoes. Do you take your shoes off on the boat? So I recommend wearing flip-flops, so you just easily take them off. And then 3, it said bring a light jacket or waterproof one because, you know, water. And then they also recommend bringing a towel. So like towel, a light jacket, make sure you take seasick medicine if you think you can get seasick, just in case. If you get car sick, you might as well, so you don't have to worry about it. And then make sure you have protection for your camera. If you don't bring camera out on the boat, make sure you have protection. I'm gonna be putting my hair in a braid just because my hair is really long. I don't want to get everywhere. I'm just wearing shorts and a tank top and then bringing a sweatshirt. Okay, anyway, that was just a really random for my sister. Getting ready for the boat thing. But I kind of self-explanatory whole thing. Okay, bye. Okay, currently in the car. It is an hour ride to the boats. Okay? We will see you there.
It is.
Boarded the boat.
See, wait till it's not like they told you.
What?
You thought it was going to be like late.
That's a good thing. We've got the ingredients for a good day. And again, I don't say this every single day, but we have really nice conditions, especially for the $10,000. Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? We have a price on that today. But you know, I always talk a little bit more about it. Yeah. But yeah, Ni'ihawa and Leihua. Village on the Nā Pali Coast. So there's a reef in front of us, acted like a natural fish trap, fish pond. At high tide, big fish go in. Low tide, reef exposed, and big fish get stuck. And then there's no extended fringing reef on the Nā Pali except this one, so it was hard to get fresh fish in the winter time. But since this reef's extended off for sure, I could get the fresh fish in the winter time. So fishing village, largest one. And then breaking down the words of this place, Nua and you hate Nua, you're thinking, your brain is processing something. Then there's Lolo, L-O-L-O, Lolo. Lolo is your brain. Also, Lolo could also be crazy. And then Kai, K-A-I, Kai. Kai is the ocean. To be thinking crazy about the ocean would define Lolo Kai. Okay, so back up why it's called Lolo Kai. So earlier I mentioned my first long talk that I did. I was saying that original roots came from the Marquesas and then they came from Tahiti. Now the ones that came from Tahiti, when they came here, they were so amazing. They went Samoa, and then Fiji, and then New Zealand, and then they're going to go up to Asia as far as Japan, I believe. Then they're going to go across. Somebody that studies volcanoes will tell you, he would say, that sounds pretty cool, but I'm pretty sure that's an igneous intrusion because a violent earthquake took place, the land cracked, and within the crack, new lava shot up and joined slowly, producing an index. So I don't think that's from Pele. That's what the volcanologists say. So, both of them. Good question. Glad they can answer it. Okay, we keep moving along. Please remember, don't jump or bend your knees. Okay, we get the two hands on the cameras in the front, so we're paying attention at the same time. Okay, here we go. Picking up the speed. Next, want to let you guys know my plan. My plan about this waterfall, just heard about it this past Wednesday. Oh, super vai napa right now. Vai napa nui. Oh, so this waterfall is falling off of this cave. Now, back in the olden days, first off, let me share the name. So, the name is called Vai Napa. In Hawaiian, Vai is freshwater, and Napa is the sparkle. Napa is like extra sparkle. So, like sparkling waters, shimmering, shining bright like a diamond. Fits its name right now. Now, back in the olden days, this waterfall was against the law to be above. In fear, you were contaminating the drinking fountain. Super basic. And for Hawaiians that were commuting, instead of landing your canoe into a village, it took time and effort, right? It was a lot easier to go underneath this waterfall and get a drink of water. So back in the day, above it, if you stepped in it, you peed in it, you whatevered in it, your punishment was death. Death. Thank you. You were contaminating the drinking fountain. Okay, I have a question. If you guys know, I'm going to go from the left and all the way to the right. I'm going to try. Not the easiest thing. Not the smartest thing. Please don't tell the owner of the boat. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this my whole life, so enjoy it. I said we're going to start from the left. We're going to start from the left like I said. Here we go.
Oh, that is so cool.
There we are. Okay, hold on you guys. You in the pink that's laughing, I'm gonna get you. You got her. I gotta get her more better. I gotta get her again. And him.
That is so cool.
Okay, here we go. Okay, work my way to the middle. Okay. I'm gonna get you, girl. Okay, there you go. All the way to the starter. Is it still heated by the volcano? No, it's not. Oh, that GoPro's waterproof, right? There you go.
Yeah, I'm videoing right now. Yeah. Look at the bird.
Feels good, huh?
Kaylee.
Okay. There we go. All right, I was waiting for the response. Thank you. Okay, actually, you guys, let's stop.
Was it cold?
Wait, stop. Everybody stop. Stop moving. Stop moving. Red light, red light, red light. Possible rocking, good left to right. Okay, green light, the possibility is over. Green light, if you want to move. Testing. Okay. That's closer, you said? Okay. There you go. Oh, watch the big splash off the right side, big splash. Rocking left to right, here comes the wave, side of the boat, left to right. Good job hanging on. One more splash to the right. We're gonna surf this wave out. We're gonna surf it out, hanging on. Alright, we're out of the danger zone. Okay, good.
That was fun.
Having fun and learning at the same time is the best, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing this in style today. Continuing on. The highest point, by the way, is about 3,700 feet. 3,700 feet. I talked about the X earlier. The vertical lines that you see all throughout the rock is the same thing. Again, violent earthquakes took place, a land crack, lava shot up and dried slowly. Weapons and tools are made out of that rock. It's the hardest form of lava as they dried slowly. Last winter, the big waves. You see where the vegetation line starts? That's how high that went up there. Where the vegetation line starts.
Yeah.
It comes out the iron. Oh, man. We have Haleo Pele. So I talked about Pele, right? The bodyguard of Polynesia. We have Haleo Pele right in front of us. Hale, house. O of Pele, the house of. Okay, can't sit here for too long. With the migrating sands. Summertime, still summertime for us, yeah. There's northerly currents and compact sand making the beaches that we're seeing, and a beach 50 yards into the cave. And then undertows from the big waves take the sand away, where there's no beach on the undertows. And so like all the beaches that we've seen so far are way smaller in the winter time because of the big waves and undertows. So that cave's unique. This waterfall's unique too. So follow the waterfall halfway up the mountain. You see where it comes out from? It comes out of a lava tube where the waterfall starts. Now I've never been up there, but from what I've heard, a portion of the aquifer cracked which is the storage of water aquifer. Ends up in this lava tube which comes out the side of the mountain and in the ocean. It's Vaikane. Vaikane. So Vai is fresh water. So yeah, 12 miles all the way, 24 round trip. And I've done it once, I'll never do it again. This one's not for no, the one of the prettiest views on the Nā Pali Coast, if not the prettiest. It's on for sure.
Go and like low though. Can I do it? So I can do it here if I sit.
2, 1, Good timing. Alright, look straight down. There.
Oh my gosh, I caught that on video.
Spinner dolphins, that's what we got right here. Spinner dolphins. Most common are spinner dolphins.